and welcome to UCH. You're watching second term past paper discussion grade 8. In this video we are going to give you the answers for Gampaha Education Zone 2024 paper. Test 1. Complete the grid using the opposite word. The first one is done for you. Example: happy, opposite word is sad. A. Rural, as is urban. B. Kind, cruel or unkind. C. Beautiful, ugly. D. Minimum, maximum. E. Foreign, local. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in the box. The first one is done for you. Happiness, carelessly, helpful, fearful, useless, reorganize. Example: the dark forest was fearful to him. She found happiness in helping others. The broken tool was completely useless. He handled the fragile vase carelessly. The instructions were very helpful. They decided to reorganize the event next year. Test 3. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition given in the box. The first one is done for you. We can walk across the road. The cat is hiding under the table. She will meet her friends at 2 o'clock. There is a bridge over the river. I placed the book in the shelf. He traveled by car to New York. I was born on May 2010. Our car was parked near the restaurant. The children walked towards the bus stop. There is a big difference between the two options. Mary is the tallest among her friends. Test 4. Rewrite the sentences given below using the correct contracted form. The first one is done for you. You should not worry so much. You shouldn't worry so much. She is going to the store. She is going to the store. They have finished their homework. They will finish their homework. You are allowed to go there. You are allowed to go there. We will see you tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow. I cannot find my keys. I can't find my keys. Test 5. Fill in the blanks using the appropriate reflexive pronoun. The first one is done for you. You should be proud of yourself. She made breakfast for herself. The children did the project by themselves. I taught myself to ride a bike. The cat cleaned itself after eating. We took care of ourselves during the trip. Test 6. Read the poem and answer the questions. A day in the park. The sun climbs high, the sky so blue, the grass is green with morning dew. Birds sing sweetly in the trees, a gentle breeze whispers to the leaves. Children laugh and run around in this peaceful, joyful sound. Kites so high, in the sky so bright, what a perfect day from morning to night. What color is the sky in the poem? Blue. How do the birds sing? Sweetly. Write two things the children do in the park. Laugh. Run around. What flies high in the sky according to the poem? Kites. How does the poem describe the day? Perfect. Test 7. Fill in the blanks using an appropriate word given in the box. The first one is done for you. Emily loves reading books. The sun shines brightly in the sky. She walks to school every morning. He did his homework last night. The cat sits on the window sill. The flowers in the garden look beautiful. They had dinner at their favorite restaurant. I left my keys on the table. The children play happily in the playground. She sent her friend a birthday card. The birds sing sweetly in the trees. Test 8. Read the following paragraph and answer the question given below. My garden is my sanctuary, a place where I find peace and joy. It's a small space filled with an abundance of colorful flowers and lush greenery. Each morning I start my day by tending to my plants, watering them, and removing any weeds that have sprouted overnight. As the sun rises higher in the sky, the garden comes alive with the buzzing of bees and the chirping of birds. I love to sit on the bench in the corner, surrounded by the scent of roses and the gentle rustling of leaves. In my garden, time seems to slow down, allowing me to forget about the worries of the world and simply appreciate the beauty of nature. Question number 1. What does the narrator's garden look like? Answer. It looks like a sanctuary. Question number 2. How does the narrator start his day? Tending to his plants, watering and removing weeds. Question number 3. What happens as the sun rises higher in the sky? The garden comes alive. Question number 4. Where does the narrator like to sit in the garden? On the bench in the corner? Question number 5. How does the garden help the narrator? Slows down and allows him to forget about the worries of the world. Test 9. Write an essay on one of the following topics. Use about 100 words. A. My favorite season. Describe your favorite season and explain why you enjoy it the most. Discuss the activities you like to do during that season and how it makes you feel. B. A memorable vacation. Write about a memorable vacation you had. Describe where you went, what you did, and why it was special to you. C. The importance of friendship. Discuss the importance of friendship in your life. Share examples of how your friends have supported you and why is it important to have close friends. My favorite season. My favorite season is the Sinhala and Tamil New Year season. I enjoy it the most because it is a time of happiness, traditions, and family gatherings. During this season, I like to help my parents prepare traditional food such as kaum and cookies. I also enjoy playing New Year games like pillow fighting and tug of war with my friends and cousins. We visit relatives and exchange good wishes. The whole village looks colorful and cheerful. This season makes me feel excited, proud of my culture, and thankful for my family. It is the happiest time of the year for me. A memorable vacation. One of the most memorable vacations I had was a trip to New Australia with my family. We visited beautiful waterfalls, tea plantations, and gardens. The cool weather made the trip very enjoyable. During our stay, we went sightseeing, took many photographs, and tasted local food. I especially enjoyed visiting Gregory Lake and spending time with my family. This vacation was special to me because it gave us an opportunity to relax and create happy memories together. I learned about the beauty of my country and enjoyed every moment of the trip. I will never forget it. The importance of friendship. Friendship plays an important role in my life. Good friends make life happier and more meaningful. They support me when I face difficulties and encourage me to do my best. For example, when I had trouble understanding a lesson, my friends helped me with my studies. They also comforted me when I felt sad or worried. Having close friends is more important because they are people we can trust and share our feelings with. I enjoy spending time with my friends at school and during leisure time. Their support makes me feel confident, valued, and happy. Test 10, listening test. Listen to the passage about flooding 3 times and answer the questions. You are allowed to pause the audio at any time. Floods are natural disasters that happen when too much water covers land that is usually dry. Flooding can be caused by heavy rain, rivers overflowing, and broken dams. There are different types of floods. Flash floods are sudden and severe floods that can happen very quickly after heavy rainfall. Floods can have serious effects on people and communities. flood water can contaminate drinking water, making it unsafe to drink. After a flood, communities often face many challenges. People may lose their homes and roads, and buildings can be damaged. Floods can also increase the spread of diseases. There are ways to reduce the risk of flooding. Communities can build better drainage system and plant more trees to help absorb rainwater. In addition, education and awareness programs help people understand the risk of flooding and how to stay safe during an emergency. What are some of the causes of flooding mentioned in the passage? Heavy rain, rivers overflowing, broken dams, all of the above. And answer is all of the above. What type of flood is described as sudden and severe? River floods, flash floods, coastal floods, urban floods? Answer is flash floods. How does flood water affect drinking water? It contaminates drinking water. Write two challenges that communities face after a flood: lose their homes, roads and buildings can be damaged. Name two measures that can be taken to reduce the risk of flooding: plant more trees, build better drainage systems. What help people to understand the risk of flooding? Education and awareness programs. Subscribe our channel now. Our dedicated English language channel, Sri Lankan students are UC Achievers for grade 6 to 9 English, UC Gen English for advanced level general English, and UCall English for O level English.